Good morning. We are tracking Tropical Storm Isaias, and it is continuing to wreak havoc on the East Coast. Multiple tornadoes reported this morning, and we do have some tornado watches and tropical storm watches and warnings, rather, still in effect here for the mid-Atlantic and now moving into New England. So here's the latest on the storm. It is still packing sustained winds of 70 miles per hour as it's centered in eastern parts of Pennsylvania. It's now moving even faster than it was this morning. If you were watching the valley today, you may notice that now moving to the northeast at 40 miles per hour. So that's going to continue to really book it up to the northeast. And there are again tropical storm warnings up through places like New Hampshire and in parts of Maine. Wild to say that in areas that tend to get pretty cold in the winter time. And you can see the latest loop on the radar that New York has been getting hit pretty hard. Looks like the worst of the rain starting to show signs of moving out, but still seeing some heavy rain in parts of upstate New York, New Jersey, and back over into Pennsylvania. And again, that's moving to the northeast. Here in the valley, different story. It's been very quiet. We do have some clouds in place, but you can see that we've got some stuff heading our way. There's some cloud cover, a little bit of rain in Minot, back over toward west of Bismarck, a couple of sprinkles there. And we'll watch out for some clouds to move in this afternoon and the potential for a few sprinkles into the evening hours underneath these clouds. Initially, it's later tonight that we'll see our chances for rain and thunder happen. Otherwise, some spotty areas of cloud cover over those fair weather cumulus clouds, rather. And we'll continue to keep things on the pleasant side as we move through the rest of the afternoon and into this evening. So I mentioned that potential for a few sprinkles. You see that there on our forecast model. And as we head into the 5 o'clock hour, really comfortable. Temperatures mid-70s to some upper 70s for your highs today. Wind not too strong out of the southeast and wind speeds into the teens. So heading into tonight, here comes that rain and thunder. Could see one or two isolated cells in the later evening hours, but it's really overnight that we have that potential for some rain and some thunderstorms heading into tomorrow morning. This is 5 a.m. tomorrow. And continuing on, we'll watch that continue to drop to the south and east and still influence our weather through the day. This is 8 a.m. to start off your Wednesday morning. So I would say have your rain gear with you when you step out the door tomorrow, just in case. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get hit by a shower, but with scattered areas of rain and thunder around, it's possible. And heating things up tomorrow, that could stir up more showers and thunder showers all the way up to the Canadian border. So something to be aware of and watch out for the day on your Wednesday. Temperatures, well, they're not going to warm up a whole lot. We'll be into the 70s yet again for Wednesday with this system influencing our weather. So not quite seeing the heat just yet, but you can see it showing up in our 7-day planner now. We're looking at Thursday being a beautiful day, sunshine, temperatures in the low 80s. But then here come Friday and Saturday. Both we've declared first alert weather days because of the threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms Friday night and then again Saturday as well. And look at that heat that's going to help fuel those storms. We'll be getting into the upper 80s to 90. This carries through the weekend and into next week. So summertime heat making a comeback, and it'll be here to stay for a little while.
Looks like the rain is also coming pretty early because usually it's on Fridays. It looks like it's going to be Wednesday instead. So let's enjoy it while it's here. Thanks, Lisa.